Hi guys, my name is Shubham and today I have got the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G which has recently got the MIUI 6 update. So this video would talk that you should update your device to the MIUI 6 version or should stay with the MIUI 5 version. So let's just see the look and feel of the device after the update. So as you can see that the UI has completely changed, and let me just go to the settings. So in the MIUI 5 version we have got Android version 4.4.2 in the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G, but after the update it is updated to Android version 4.4.4. so not a very big upgrade in Android, but obviously it has some newer version of Android. So today I'll be showing you some bugs of it, as MIUI 6 for this device is very new ROM, so it has loads of bugs, and also I would be telling that you should update it or not. Okay, so let's just begin. So the first bug that I saw in it was that whenever I just click it, sometimes the app and app name turns black, which just don't allows you to just go to the application itself, and it doesn't give you any information about it too. So that's a big what you say con of MIUI 6 after the update. Excuse me. So let me just focus again. Okay, so also I would be like to telling you that in after you set a what you say pattern unlock, like lock screen, if I draw a pattern, for example S, and just set it as my password, confirm. So after I just go to the lock screen, and here you can see that I've turned on the show password. So after you did do this, you can see this line following me. It's for the effects, but MIUI forgot that this is made for just protecting your device, and they provided this, which is a very irresponsible thing from MIUI, because it just tracks your password, and anyone sitting near you can just track your password very easily. So again, that was a very big issue in MIUI 6. Also, one more con of the MIUI 6 is in the theme section. Many of the themes are related to MIUI 5 but are included in this section also, which just turns your phone into a very laggy and glitchy device. So for example, I have a downloaded theme, which is this one. It is supported for MIUI 5, but after I apply it, let me just wait for it to be applied. Okay, so after I applied, you can see the theme has been changed, but in the navigation bar you can see that no changes have take place. And also in the settings you can see that it looks very weird and very poor in the this section also. And again, in the lock screen, it has been turned to the MIUI 5 lock screen itself. So as you can see, the normal MIUI 5 version lock screen. So again, a very poor thing from Xiaomi, that they haven't put themes of for MIUI 6 in the updated device to MIUI 6. And also I would like to say that the battery drops much more in the MIUI 6 compared to the MIUI 5 version. And also the camera application has many glitches, and after you go to the settings, you just don't have any option. As you can see, the application has become very weird. Let me just go back to the normal theme. Okay, so overall the theme looks good, but it has many glitches. So as I was talking about the camera application, let me just go to the additional settings, and here you can see there is no, let me just focus a bit, and there is no section for you to select any disable simple mode as you had in MIUI 5. So it would give you the option to just go to the advanced mode and edit more professionally, but in MIUI 6 you just simply does not have any option for it. So these are some glitches that I thought that are to be told to you, so that you may consider that you have to just update to the next version or just stay to the MIUI 5. Hope I helped you, and please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you liked it. And I will be posting many more videos related to MIUI 6 and this device also. I've already done unboxing and gaming review and camera review for this device, so please check it out also. Thanks for watching.